Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to take a look at the Pro Catcher Mousetrap. This comes in a 4-pack box. It says it kills mice guaranteed, one-touch set, easy to use, and watch your hands. I learned that the hard way with a purple thumbnail. The way you set it is you push it back. It almost looks like a monster ready to swallow a mouse. Clicks into place. You put the bait in the middle on that red tongue. The mouse comes along, steps on it, comes down, and that's quite a bit of force. I think this is going to work. Let's go set it up in the barn with motion cameras, see if we can get some wild mice with a Pro Catcher Mousetrap that looks like a monster. The Pro Catcher Mousetrap not only has some cool looking eyes printed on it, it works well on mice. Last night I set this up in an old farm truck. The mouse went in there to get the bait, stepped on the trigger, and got caught. To release them, you pull back this lever, give it a little flip. Now this is a pretty good trap. It's made out of plastic, so I don't know how long it lasts, but the trigger system's sensitive. Those big teeth hold the mice, and it works really well.